Polygon Matic holders, what's up? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So after a long time, I'm talking about Polygon Matic price update. What's the price? What's the price changes occur on the Polygon Matic? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and update videos, guys. The right now price of Polygon Matic is about 1.39 USD dollar. This is the right now price of Polygon. And guys, furthermore, if you talk about the changes of Polygon, so you can see the last 1 hour update is negative. Oh my god. And latest situation, Polygon is going in the lows. That's too bad, unfortunately. But guys, other side, if you look the latest the previous situation, so the last 1 day, I mean in the last 24 hours, the price pump very good. But in the right now situation, Polygon is going wrong. Let me show you. You can see here, you can see the price start pumping just in the latest situation, guys. But here in the last hour, the price gradually start dumping, guys. So I believe about that is a temporary, guys. That is temporary dumping. I believe, guys, Shiba Inu is in the pumping. You can see it from here. From this point, Shiba Inu start pumping, guys. And now I'm sure that they will continue this pump, guys. That is just a temporary fall, so don't take it serious. Just hold it and take your profit. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.